Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in primary 3 we had discussed about the topic angels. So Allah the Almighty has created means made all kinds of creatures. Creatures means any large or small living thing in the universe. So who are angels? Angels are the pure beings of Allah the Almighty. What is the meaning of pure? Pure means free from anything wrong, bad or evil. The angels are created from nur, light. Angels always obey the commands of Allah the Almighty. Angels always obey the commands of Allah and never disobey Allah. Angels cannot do anything of their own will. Will means wish. They only do whatever Allah has commanded them to do. So Allah the Almighty has created countless numbers of angels, and only He knows the exact count. Angels do not eat, drink or sleep. They only do whatever Allah has commanded them to do. Now let's discuss about the 4 famous angels along with their duties. Number 1 is Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. He is the chief, which means head of all the angels. He used to bring the message of Allah the Almighty to the prophets. So which duty is assigned to Hazrat Mikail alayhi salam? Hazrat Mikail alayhi salam is responsible to deliver food to every living thing and to cause rain. Hazrat Israel alayhi salam, his duty is to take out the soul of human beings at the time of passing away. And then there is Hazrat Israfil alayhi salam, who will blow the sur. Sur is an instrument on the day of judgment. He will blow it by the command of Allah the Almighty. So now let's discuss about the angels who are on our shoulders. Allah the Almighty has selected 2 angels for every human being. Who are they? They are Kiraman Katibin. These 2 angels are Kiraman Katibin, who record our deeds. Angel on the right records good deeds, and angel on the left records bad, wrong deeds. The angels who will ask questions to us in our grave are known as Munkir and Nakir. Now I'll be sharing a worksheet with you which we did in the class today. So this is worksheet number 3 which we did in the class today. Fill in the blanks were there and you had to answer them in the notebook. Number 1, Allah has created angels from dash Noor. Number 2, those who follow Islam are called dash Muslims. Number 3, dash is the chief of all angels, Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. Number 4, dash is the 5th pillar of Islam, Hajj is the 5th pillar of Islam. Number 5, angels always dash Allah, angels always obey Allah. Number 6, dash is responsible to deliver food to living things and to cause rain, Hazrat Mikail alayhi salam. Number 7, the angels on our